No, because the NBA is literally rigged by birth certificates and the science is so damning I'm not okay right now. There's a hidden pattern buried inside every professional sports roster, and it has nothing to do with talent, training, or genetics. It's your birthday. It's called the relative age effect, and it goes like this. Youth sports leagues cut off eligibility by calendar year, usually January 1st. So a kid born in January is competing against kids born the following December. That's almost a full year of physical development separating these children. At age 8 or 9, that gap is absolutely enormous. We're talking bigger, faster, stronger, just because of when their mom went into labor. The older kids get picked for elite squads, get better coaching, more reps, more confidence. The younger kids get cut and told they're just not good enough. But that's not even the strangest part. That early advantage compounds over years and years until suddenly you've got a professional league where players born in the first quarter of the year are statistically overrepresented by a wild margin. The data is genuinely unhinged. Researchers who dug into NBA rosters found that players born in September, October, and November, right before the typical American youth cutoff dates, show up way more than players born in, say, June or July. The league is low-key full of fall babies. Think about how wild that is. We're sitting here talking about billion-dollar franchises, max contracts, Hall of Fame careers, and a chunk of it traces back to when your parents conceived you. It's giving cosmic lottery energy.
And it's not just the NBA.
Soccer, hockey, baseball, every sport with age-grouped youth development shows this exact same distortion. But here's where it gets genuinely chaotic. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is being hosted across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. 3 countries. 3 completely different youth league cutoff dates. 3 player pools shaped by 3 completely different birthday biases. So you're going to have national teams built on totally incompatible biological lotteries all crashing into each other on the same pitch. Some players only exist on those rosters because of a calendar quirk in their home country that another country doesn't even use. The way that a kid in Mexico City born in December got cut at age 10 while a slightly older, not actually better kid from the same neighborhood made the academy, and that cut kid could have been a World Cup starter. It's low-key heartbreaking. Some researchers are now arguing we should randomize age groupings, or use biological age instead of birth date. A few youth leagues in Europe are already testing relative age correction, and the results are genuinely promising. But until that becomes standard, the system keeps churning out the same result. Rosters built on luck disguised as merit, and thousands of athletes who never got a real shot because the calendar said no. If this broke your brain a little, subscribe because we go this deep every single video, and drop your birth month in the comments. I genuinely want to know if you would have made the cut.